Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to add a subtask to a task in Todoist. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Todoist.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all the tasks that you have scheduled for today. So as you can see here I have a couple of tasks, and let's say that I want to create a subtask for one of them. But guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and look at the left side of the screen so you will be able to find the task that you are looking for. Here you have multiple options for viewing your task. You can see your inbox, you can see your upcoming tasks, you can see your filters and labels and then find your task and so on. You can even see your projects to be able to more easily group your tasks. So go ahead and find the task where you want to create a subtask for. I'm going to use this task right here called YouTube tutorial, creating a video. So what you're going to do, the first thing is go ahead and click the task right here. So it will open up this new window where you'll be able to edit it. You can change it, what project it belongs to. You can change the due date, the priority, and so on. So as you can see here guys, under the name of the task is an option called add subtask. So I'm going to go ahead and click that button right there, and now I can go ahead and create a new subtask. So video subtask, and let's give it to the description new video. And now guys, I'm going to go ahead and click on add task, and as you can see I have successfully added a subtask to YouTube tutorial. So now I can finish this subtask inside the YouTube tutorial, and now it is gone. It says it is finished. And guys, now after exiting you can see that there appears right here 101 is a subtask that we have for this. So yeah guys, that's how you do it basically. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.